Welcome back to our Understanding the Justice System series. We're talking today about what happens when a juvenile commits a crime. When a juvenile commits a crime, including felonies, their case begins in family court. There, a judge will carefully review all evidence presented against them. The judge faces an important question. Should this young person be tried as an adult? To make that decision, they will consider several key factors, including the seriousness of the charges, the juvenile's previous record, whether the crime involved violence, their attitude, school performance, and whether the family court has adequate services to inspire long-term behavioral change. If the judge decides to certify the juvenile as an adult, they become a certified juvenile. At this point, their case transfers to our prosecutor's office, and we handle it just like we would for any adult case. If the certified juvenile is found guilty, they could serve time in an adult prison or start in juvenile detention before transferring to an adult prison later. But if the judge decides the juvenile should not be tried as an adult, the case stays in family court. The juvenile can still plead guilty, and they will receive a trial within the family court. If the juvenile is found guilty in family court, the juvenile may become a ward of the court, which means the court takes on a supervisory role in their life. This could involve regular check-ins with the juvenile officer, placement in foster care or a group home, or even confinement in the Division of Youth Services, and community service or paying restitution up to $4,000 for any damage or injuries they caused. We know young people need time to develop and learn about how to deal with conflict and trauma. So this process allows a balance of community safety with the goal of rehabilitation based on the severity of the juvenile's actions and their personal circumstances. While I wish no young people in Jackson County have to go through this process, some unfortunately do. We want to make sure families and young people are aware of the serious consequences that await as a result of poor decisions leading to life-altering outcomes.